Hello, I would like to show you my bowling court booking system. Short form is BCBS. This is coded in C++ using CodeBlocks, and then it consists of two data structures such as linked list and stack. I also use the linear search algorithm. At first, this is the page, the main page. It will show you the press any key to continue. Then the user is prompted to enter the username. Then, example, if I enter the wrong username, like example, let's say hello, it will show you the invalid username, and then please try again. Then enter the correct username but the wrong password. It will show this error message. Then the user is prompted to enter username again. And afterwards, I enter the correct password but too long. I can press backspace, then enter the correct one, and then boom, access granted. Then afterwards, there are 9 features total: book lane, edit booking, cancel booking, search lane, display all lanes, clear all lanes info, payment, and then display customer log. And last but not least, exit the system. Display customer log is nothing at the start because it will show you what you key in during your use of the system. It won't show you the past records. Unlike display all lanes, example, I book one lane. Let's say I book KC now. Then the contact number. Let's say I try enter ABC. It will show you an error message. And then I put number. Then I see number. If I put ABC, it will show you error message. Then I put the correct one. And afterwards, number of games to play. Put ABC, it will show this. The maximum number of games you can play is 100. So if I put 101, it will show you must less than 100 games. Then I just put 5. Shoes, maximum shoes to borrow is 10 pairs. If I show you 100, if I put 100, it will show error message. I just book 1 pair. Then it will show you the total game price, the total shoe price, the total outstanding amount. Afterwards, user can go and book one more lane. Example, if I were to book another lane under the name KC, but then I accidentally include some numbers, it will show you this. Then afterwards, I just put KC, contact number 122, IC number 0001, and then just randomly put some info, and just put another dummy lane. Just call this KC, and then just afterwards, user can choose to edit the booking. And I did a dummy lane booking. I can add games. I add 100 games. You cannot, because the maximum games is over 100 if you were to add another 100 games. So user is prompted to enter the games number of games you want to add. So I just add the example 1 game. It will show you the updated info, lane number, customer name, IC contact, number of games and shoes, game price, shoe price, and then the lane ability is set to 0, which is false, which is taken. Then user can choose to cancel the lane, cancel lane number 3, and then it will show the updated info. Everything is set to the initial value, as you can see here. Then display all. Then you can search lane, search by lane number, lane availability, and customer lane. If I press number 1, search by lane number 1, and it will show the data for the lane number 1. It won't show the customer name, of course. And afterwards, if I were to search lane using lane availability, it will show you the available lanes and then the unavailable lanes. Then afterwards, I press any key to continue. If I were to search by customer name, by example, if I type KC or just type C, it will show you the lane number 2 KC over here, and then enter the lane number. Just press number 2, it will show you the data here. If I were to search lane by customer name, I just put KC. It will show you this lane number 1 is KC now. Then press number 1, show you here. Okay, then for the display all lanes info, it will show you the lane number and the availability. 2 lanes are taken over here, as you can see. If I press lane number 3, it will show you nothing over here. Then I can choose to clear all lanes info, payment, and display customer log. I will show you the customer log right now first. As you can see, there are 3 names over here. This one is deleted, but I will still show you here because it's logged. It will show you how many, like the bookings over there can't be deleted unless you exit the system. But this won't be shown in the display all lanes. Then for the payment, example, I'm paying for lane number 1. If I enter ABC, it will show you error message. If I enter less than 55, the total amount, 54, it will ask you to enter the valid amount. Then if I enter 100, and it will show you the change, 45 ringgit and 1 cent, 10 cents. Then afterwards, press any key to continue. The user can choose to clear all lanes info or exit the system. But for now, I'll just exit the system. And it will show you, thank you for using this BCBS. The data is stored inside this lanes.txt file. As you can see here, it will show you these two customers who have booked the lane, how many games, how many shoes. This is the lane number. This is the how many games played, shoes borrowed, the customer name, and this is the IC, phone number, and then this is the money. This is the lane availability, of course. Then this is the game price and the shoe price.